So come into easy cross-legged position and just kind of ground the sit bones to the floor. If this is starts to make the knees a little bit cranky, I'd like you to go ahead and just send your legs straight out in front of you. Hands next to the hips. And we'll start with our breathing just to check in, to get centered and focused on what's happening with our bodies this afternoon. So take your band, and we're going to use our band for our breath work. You're going to take it around your back. And I'd like you to get a little bit low around the lower rib cage. Make it really wide. And then cross. So what I'd like you to do is turn your palms up, hold onto the band, and you're actually holding the band with your thumb, between your thumb and the palm of your hand, so that we're not gripping. But we do want to tighten this up a little bit, and you can rest your elbows down by your side, and you can close your eyes if you'd like. Now pull the band a little bit tighter. Take an inhale through the nose. And feel your rib cage expand. Hold your breath. Exhale out through the mouth. Very good. Now anchor your elbows into your rib cage. So I want you to just kind of pull the elbows in. You're touching. You're going to drop the shoulders down, but stay tall. We'll get a little work for the rhomboids and for the around the scapula, the traps. So with your palms facing up, you can, again, tighten up. The palms are up. I don't want you gripping, so the fingers are loose. You're going to open and then close. We'll just do a few sets. Now stay really tall. Now when you open, draw the shoulder blades towards each other. And this is really a good way to work the upper back. We want that strength in the upper back because it really helps our posture. It keeps us from the rounding. So we'll do one more here. So here's 8 and 7. Here's 6. And just focus in between those shoulder blades. Here's 4, 3. Excellent. Here's 2. And 1. So unwrap the band. In fact, let's switch your legs. So take whatever ankle's in the back, move it forward. And I'd like you to just kind of, ground the sit bones, sitting tall. Let's take the band and let's take it a little wider than your shoulders. You're going to have a little bit of tail. We're going to also, again, hold the band between your thumb and your index and just, make sure the fingers are not putting a lot of stress on the wrist. So inhale, reach the arms up and just lengthen up through the spine. As you exhale, rotate the arms back. So a chest opener. Inhale up, exhale and lower. Good. Inhale up. Exhale. Inhale up. Exhale, lower. Inhale, tall. Exhale, lower. Working through the shoulder joints. Inhale up. Exhale, lower. Couple more times. Inhale up. Exhale, lower. One more time. Inhale up. And exhale, lower. Just relax your shoulders there for a moment. Maybe a couple of shoulder rolls. Not quite done yet. Take those arms out in front of you. Inhale, reach the arms up. Now we'll work the torso. You're going to lean over to the right. And just pause there for a moment. Bring the arm, maybe the left arm a little closer, right, to your ear. That little tail is going to get in my way. And then press the arm down Bring it back up. And now come to center. Take an inhale. Exhale, lean to your left. Just hold there for a moment. Bring that right arm up a little closer to your ear. Press that arm down. Bring it back up and come back to center. Inhale deeply. Exhale, lean to your right. Hold here. Bring that left arm a little closer to your ear. Drop the right hand down. Bring it back up. Bring it back to center. One more time. Take an inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, lean over to the left. Bring the arm next to the ear and drop that arm down. Inhale back up and come back to center. Go ahead and release that band. And let's go ahead and do those shoulder rolls again, just a couple. And come forward. Perfect. Take that right arm behind you. Take an inhale. As you exhale, bring the arm across your chest and draw that shoulder. Good. Turn your chin to the right shoulder. And now move into your inhalation and exhalation. Now release that arm. Let's take that right arm right to the middle of your back. Hold onto that elbow, but lift up through the chin, the crown of your head. Now remember the expansion of the chest. So really breathe in deep and wide. Let the rib cage expand. Very good. Release your arms to the floor. We'll take that left arm behind us. Nice little stretch. Take an inhale. As you exhale, draw the arm across and bring the chin to the shoulder. One more breath. And now go ahead and release that arm. Bring it right to the middle of your back. These stretches are so important. So lift through the crown of your head. Elongate through your spine. And now take your breath into the lower lobes of the lungs, really expanding through the chest. One more breath. And now release your hands. Let's take a little wrist stretch. So bring your right hand forward, flip the palm up, take and just very gently draw the fingers back. Keep the wrist in line with your shoulders, but your shoulders should be soft. One more breath. Then you're going to rotate your palm down, but curl your fingers under and very gently draw the fist back and have that wrist again, even with the shoulder. But relax your shoulders away from your ears. And release that arm. Good. Left arm reaching. Rotate the palm up. Very gently slide those fingers back. Remember, not too forceful on this one. Just really so right where you feel the stretch. And we just are taking care of the wrist, preventing carpal tunnel. This is really important when we grab that band that can kind of, tighten up the wrist. So take 2 more breaths. And I'm sure we're all doing our texting on our phone, our laptops, working. All right, so pull the fingers, drop that fist under, and let's go ahead and just very gently pull it back. So we stretch through the top of the forearm. And one more full breath. Good job. Release your hands down. Inhale, circle up. Exhale, hands to your heart. Thank you so much, you guys, for being here and practicing Pilates with me. You are awesome. Thank you for your time. Namaste.